What's up, guys? Both Sanas coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one, peeps. Are we there with another
brand new banger?
Happy Sunday to y'all, people. So, me hear some I must do a rant video. I don't know why. On a beautiful Sunday, you know want me to do a rant video. Well, me is a man who love smile. So I don't know why I want to turn this into this. But alright, me I go on a rant video. Me I make you know some things that absolutely irritate me about Jamaica, Jamaicans. When me no like, it totally does piss me off. I never cuss it. So without further ado, make we get right tonight. Now, some of you know Jamaican people are Jamaica. When you have a little one family abroad, I want to make a phone call and ask the people them for their money, where them have to work for, and the people them say them not have it now. Why you vex? Why you vex? You think foreign a better rose? You think foreign a better rose? You know how much hours enough for them have to work all 3, 4, 5 jobs, and the man them or the woman them say them not have it, can't send a little thing no. Yo, I go vex. You me a talk about you. I go vex. But it you know yourself. And that one of the things them where irritate me about uno Jamaican. Some of uno Jamaican. Me a talk the truth. Uno fe go. Uno have some of uno big man. And big woman. Nothing wrong with uno hand a work. Uno foot a work, uno eye a work, nose and mouth a work, and every day, man de pan corner and a robot. A girl de a yard, just a chill. Beg you a thing no. Father beg you a thing no. A little thing no. Bless me no. Brother, my youth. My girl, you know, see a pandemic. You see how people have to work hard for their money. You can't go look at work. You can't go look at work. Or you think other people out there get them thing. And when them people them tell you no, you get vexed. And you diss the people them and you possibly even just you goodly all want war the people them. You give the people them money for put down. Some of you know yourself. The users them. The material goddess them and the material boy them out the road. Are there with people for because them have things. Love things. Where you want to chase it with vodka? You love things. So you're there with man, and you're there with woman with them, for them things, right? You don't love them enough, but you're there with them things. God forgive me for say it. Things happen to you, and people say, oh my God, Ado, why do you do this? Why that happen? And put yourself in a danger. Because you don't love things. Go and follow a song. Go and follow a song, yeah? But you don't love people for things. And love things. And only do things for things. Yeah? And when things reach you now wonder why things reach you. You see people who stay like you know. Let me start by taxi boy. Yeah man, you know yourself, you taxi boy. Yeah, man. I soon dep on the road. And I zoom and brother, what make you fair drive so on the road? One road, 1 lane, you turn in a 2 lane. And then when a man correct you drive up beside you, the first man for draw cutlass and all them thing there. You know what I mean? Well, I'm not going to draw cutlass and all them thing there for people. One war man and all them thing there. Lick down how much people, innocent people off a bike, bicycle. Regular people are walk on the road, and when police are running down, tear down the whole road. Try to escape and all them things there. A majority of the time I'm not even phone a car. You know what I mean? So what? Una alone for use the road? Taxi man in Jamaica will drive so. Uno for go. Next one. Let me see what me no lie. You see uno beat a boy will love beat woman. Yeah man. Some uno boy will only have girl strength or girl strength, whatever you want to call it. Yeah man. Me I watch you know. Me I watch you know. You know want some man use some 3x8 board and hold you and mash you up. Brother, let me tell you something. No matter what the woman do, no put your hand on her. The only way you must defend yourself is if she come after you with a knife, you run, you take a knife out her hand, fling it away, or push her aside. No put your hand on the woman then, brother. Because guess what? I say most of the boy will do that. And a coward. So you see all boy in a Jamaica will love beat woman for whatever reason. You don't have no reason to put your hand on a woman. Or no fake. Go with an aggressive self. And fix yourself. Deal with an internal conflict. Or no fake. Go. That one here. I gonna knock someone like hammer to nail. Why you bad mind, so? Why you bad mind, so? You. Why you bad mind? Why you bad mind your brother and your sister? Why you bad mind your brother and your sister for things or for your things that she have? You can't go get it too. Why you bad mind? Someone who does bad mind that. Yo, someone who so bad mind and all bad mind all the devil. All the devil afraid of you. Why you so bad mind? Why you so envious and love things? Why you so ready eye? What kind of thoughts I got to your mind? When you see a man hustle and buying little things and I do him little things, why you bad mind? No, not every Jamaican stays so, but enough Jamaican stays, most of Jamaican people stand so. Why you bad mind? Your bad mind is mad if you have a cell phone and them little things. Why you so bad mind? Why you so bad mind? Is it someone who know bad mind? Only for go. Next one will irritate me too. Me enough I not talk about politician. Politician for make country better. In regards to violence, politician need to stop import gun in and all them thing there. So hold on. I think a politician alone can make change. When the gun them come in, you have to use it. Politician can't tell you say if you come out of house go look work, no for you. Politician can point to you and tell you say yo, stop rob people. Let me give you a scenario. If a politician figure every man in a Jamaica $200 million, you think that gonna stop violence and bad mind? You think that gonna stop robbery? That now gonna stop it, my friend. Because here what? Everybody have a different mind. 7 mind, 7 different brother. You know what I mean? If I saw them say it, that now gonna stop nothing, my friend. So here what? Politician is just a small group of people. The mass have to make the change, my friend. Because guess what? The people them put the politician where them there. That irritate me. Stop blaming politicians for how Jamaica is right now. Them just play a part of it. Every man in our country have a role and make a change for the country. Every man in a Jamaica contribute to where Jamaica is right now. Yeah? See all I wanna love blame politician for all them thing there. Take it easy. That one here go make some people move. Colorism. Because you're brown, you're more acceptable. That's why I know if I want to bleach in the skin and all them thing there. But you know, on top of that to add to it too, I see a little thing happening in our workplace them all around in our country. When a black man or a black woman, your own Jamaican people, ask you for a little favor, you not react to them the same way or you not react to if a tourist or a light-skinned man with hair and all them stuff there, or somebody outside of the country, a foreigner. You not deal with them the same way like oh, you not deal with your brethren. For example, yo, oh, if you go down there, so you can give me some direction for go right there. So, me no know. But when another man come to you now, hey man, what's up? Can you tell me the way to go right there? All right, man. All right, you gonna take the first left and drive down, go down there. So, and all them look at, well, that's not really a good example, but when you get what me I try to say. You know what I mean? We not help one another how we supposed to do it. But when our next man from a different country come, we no more accept him and all them thing there. Let me tell you something. And somehow you know yourself. Jack me a rant about right now. You see all I want to stay so? When you not gonna like me, you know. I want to probably go unsubscribe. Alright peeps, those are only a small amount of things will irritate me, what I will rant about. You know what I mean? About Jamaica. You know what I mean? About Jamaicans. Well, some. Because I not say everybody do it or everybody stay so. You know what I mean? Somehow not go burn me out feet, but guess what? I can't just be honest. You know what I mean? We don't want a rant video, so those me go on a rant video. Them things they irritate my brother and us. Piss me off. And them they are just small amount of things. So just talk to me, let me know what I think. Give me your feedback on the matter and make a whole a reason. You know what I mean? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You know what I mean? Happy Sunday. And just go on journey the boy. Just continue to stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, keep pushing to the top. You ain't gonna stop. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock. Whoop.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.